Hey there, Morgan. We've got a couple different testimonies out. I want to start with Robinhood CEO Vlad Tenev. He says that Robinhood did not help hedge funds to customers' detriment. We're still looking through Tenev's testimony. We also got one from Reddit trader Keith Gill, who also goes by Roaring Kitty. He says that the idea that he used social media to promote GameStop stock was preposterous. His channel, he says, was for educational purposes only. He also says that he's an individual investor, not a hedge fund. He says his investment in GameStop and posts on social media were entirely his own. He also still maintains that GameStop is undervalued. He says the company is still dramatically undervalued by the market. Morgan, back to you.
All right, thank you. Leslie, want to get your reaction or your thoughts on what we're getting here in terms of information.
Yeah, that's right, Morgan. So this is the prepared testimony from Melvin Capital's Gabe Plotkin, who will be appearing tomorrow. Tackles a few issues in this prepared testimony. Number one, the idea of short selling. He will say that absolutely none of Melvin's short positions are part of any effort to artificially depress or manipulate downward the price of a stock, and nothing about our short position prevents a company from achieving its objectives. It is just Melvin's view about whether it will. Also tackles this idea, which was quite controversial at the time of Robinhood's decision and other brokers' decision to limit purchases of certain securities, including GameStop. He will say that Melvin Capital played absolutely no role in those trading platforms' decisions. In fact, Melvin closed out all of its positions in GameStop days before platforms put those limitations in place. And then, if you recall, Melvin Capital, as all of this was unfolding, it received an investment from Citadel and Point72 of $2.75 billion. Gabe Plotkin will address this as well, saying that Melvin Capital was not bailed out in the midst of these events. He says that's contrary to many reports, and noting that Citadel proactively reached out to become a new investor, similar to the investments others make in their fund, the opportunity, in essence, for Citadel to buy low and earn returns for investors. Now, other aspects of the remarks include, the fact that January was very humbling for Plotkin. He mentions his background growing up in a middle-class family in Portland, Maine, that he's married with 4 children, and that his firm Melvin was named after his grandfather, who ran a convenience store. So noting again that, he says he was humbled by what happened in January, that his investors, which include a variety of academic institutions, medical research, and other charitable foundations, also impacted by all of this, guys.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.